Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to talk about how to get into the motor trade. I've had a few messages on my LinkedIn with various people asking what is the best way to get into the motor trade, so I've made this video today. So you want to get involved in the motor trade. The industry has a lot to offer, ranging from motorcycles, cars to lorries. From there, you'll have your car dealerships, your workshops, your body shops, your part suppliers, ballotters and vehicle transportation. There's lots of roles available, and the best way to get into the game is by an apprenticeship. Apprenticeships provide on-the-job training whilst also gaining qualification at the same time, most likely leading to permanent employment at the end of your apprenticeship. The typical roles available as an apprentice are vehicle technician, formerly known as a mechanic. They diagnose, repair and service vehicles, either in light vehicles or heavy vehicles. I myself am a vehicle technician. You'll have body shop technicians who primarily repair collision damaged vehicles. Within a body shop itself, you'll have MET technicians. MET stands for mechanical, electrical and trim. These technicians take off damaged external panels, refit repaired or new panels across the vehicle, including the interiors. You'll have panel beaters who specialise in repairing or replacing the actual frame of the vehicle, including lots of welding. And you'll have paint sprayers who prep, mix the paints and spray the vehicles. You'll have sales executives. This is a customer-based role who deal with the sale of new and used vehicles, primarily in car dealerships. You'll have parts advisors who supply and handle the sale of parts for the vehicles. You'll have service advisors. This is another customer-based role. They liaise between technicians and customers, basically a middleman, greeting clients, listening to customer requests, scheduling service appointments and estimating their repair costs. So now you've heard a bit more about the roles available, you need to decide what role interests you, read up on the duties and responsibilities of this role and see if it's the right fit for you. After that, you need to get your CV up to date and make sure it expresses you well as an individual. The best advice I can give you is to apply online directly to as many vehicle manufacturers as you can on their careers page. I'll list as many as I can in the description below. Also, you want to apply directly to the training providers, so the people who provide the training for the manufacturer, who can find you a vacancy, such as Remit, Babcock Automotive, Skillnet, etc. I'll also list them in the description below. The government apprenticeship website is also very good to look at. There's plenty of vacancies on there as well. Ideally, you want to stick to main dealers and fleet garages and go for both light goods vehicles and heavy goods vehicle roles. I'd leave the independents as a last choice. Don't get me wrong, they are good for the experience in a variety of vehicles, but they have limited future opportunities. Good luck. Don't be disheartened if you don't find one straight away or if you get rejected. Every interview is experience gained and you'll become more confident after each one. There's plenty of apprenticeships out there. It took me myself 6 months to secure my apprenticeship in the motor trade, and that was 7 years ago. So good luck, thank you for watching, make sure you like, comment and subscribe.